Jokes to tell your friends. What kind of music do planets like? Neptunes. Did you hear about the two people who stole a calendar? They each got 6 months. Don't spell part backwards. It's a trap. How do fish get high? With a seaweed. I like my ceiling. It's not the best, but it's up there.
Anong pagkain na mabilis? Alam ko na yan, lumang-luma na yan. Fast food? Hindi. Sopas? Hindi. O ano? Yung itlog. Itlog. Quick.
Dad jokes until my girlfriend laughs out loud.
Why didn't the vampire bite Taylor Swift?
Why?
Because she had bad blood. You want to hear a paper joke?
Okay.
Never mind, it's terrible. What has 5 toes but isn't your foot?
What?
My foot. I have a horse named Mayo. Sometimes Mayo neighs. Mayo neighs. She's laughing.
Ano ang tawag sa sakit na di mo malalaman? Eddie, secret.
Knock knock! Who's there? Spell woo. W-H-O. Woo. Hey you.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Europe.
Europe who?
No, Europe poo.
Oh my gosh.
Anong tawag sa kuto ng kalbo?
Ano?
Homeless.
Bakit bawal pagsabay-sabayin ng mga kalbo sa jacuzzi?
Bakit?
Kasi magmumuka sila ng squid balls.
Anong sabi ng panty?
Ano?
Panakit butas lang pala ako.
Ano ang cellphone ng mga matatanda?
Ano?
Motorola.
Anong halik ang lumilipad?
Flying kiss?
Hindi.
Ano?
Helicopter. Bakit yung sa damit ni Superman S yung nakalagay?
Bakit?
Kasi walang medium.
Talo ko. Talo siya.